Produce a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram for the data below. So when I collect the data initially, I always just do an unordered diagram, just simply to get the information from here into the diagram. And I'm going to do class A on this side and class B on this side. So overall, the smallest value seems to be this 6, and the highest value is this 60, I think. Looking at the whole thing, I can always adjust later on. But that just gives me the stem. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now start putting the data in. So if we're doing class A on the left, so 39, just put a 9 here next to the 3, 42, put a 2 here, 48, 36, 24. And with this diagram, we don't worry too much about neatness at all. We're just getting the information out. So 18, 45, 54, 36, 42, 39, 33, 30, 27, 21, 27 again, 36, 24, 27, 21, it's two 30s, 27, 33, and a 39. And then that's that class done. So here we've got a 15, we've got that 6, we've got 27, 21, 27, 36, 24, 27, 21, two 30s, 27, 33, 54, 33, 42, 48, 51, 24, 18, the 60, and 54, 36, 12, and 18. Now that I've got the information from here to here, normally I just count the pieces and count the pieces here just to make sure I did get them all. I'm going to produce my final diagram where I do order the leaves. Now, just this one's more important to be neat, so I'm going to actually rule the lines for this one. And so we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And notice how I've spread those out a little bit more as well. And then with the leaves, I'm going to make sure that everything's nice and evenly spaced. So 6, and this needs to be in the order 2, 5, 8, 8. Make sure the 2's directly underneath this one. And then spread them equally. And then with this one, we need to start 1, 1. Make sure the 1 goes under the 2, and this one goes under the 5. And so that was 1, 1. And then the next thing is 2 4s. Make sure they go under those 8s. And then it just seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4 7s. And again, let's go for the equal spacing. Like so. Then we've got 0, 0, 3, 3, 6, 6. Notice how we're going nicely in columns, because we want this bar chart or histogram type effect from the side. So then we've got 2, 8, and 1, 4, 4. and finally 60. And then on the other side we order them so the smallest ones are on the inside and we go bigger in a right to left fashion. So there's no problem with this one, the 18. And then with this one, what have we got? We start with a 1, and then the next thing's, oh, there's 2 1s. Very easy to miss one. Just got to be careful. And then we've got 2 4s. Don't like the way I've done that one. I'd actually take the trouble to go back and redo. And then 1 2 3 4 7s. So 1 2 3 4. And then there's lots of these. So 0 0 0, 3 zeros there. And then what have we got? The next thing seems to be a 3. Got 2 of those. 3 3. And then we've got 3 6s. 6 6 6. And 3 9s. 9 9 9. And then here we've got 2 2 5 8. And finally 4. Now maybe I've made a mistake in something here. It doesn't really matter. I'm not invalidating what I'm actually teaching you to do if I make a small mistake. So we've got A and B as the 2 classes. And we need a key. So I'm going to put, let's choose somewhere nice in the table, such as this one here, which illustrates the point well. So 5 4 1 means 54 for class A and 51 for class B.